I attended this course to enhance my understanding of incident response and its planning. During this course, I come across aspects such as corporate communication, how to persuade the management regarding uh, their buy-in on incident response plans. And the most important aspect that I've learned throughout this whole course was how to maintain a list of our critical components that and its read and the controls which are implemented on those components. And the other aspect is I've come to know a new aspect of risk management that could be done for our information assets. So I'm really thankful to Mr. Amar for his time and the effort that he's put in for this training. I'm looking forward to further guidance for future guidance from him as well. Thank you.